everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, friends. Friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of Blue Heaven Eye Magic Instant Eyeshadow Quad, and this is in the set 605. So one of my subscribers had requested me to do a review of this particular eyeshadow quad, so that's why I'm doing this video for you all. So friends, before proceeding, I just wanted to request you, please do subscribe to my channel to watch more such review videos, makeup tutorials, DIYs, and also please give it a like and share if this video is really helpful. Let's get started with a review of this particular eyeshadow quad, and after that I'll be sharing an eye makeup look. This eye makeup look that I've created, you can see that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. And after that I will tell the pros and cons of this particular quad and whether you should take it or not. So friends, this is the Blue Heaven Eye Magic Instant Eyeshadow, and it comes in a packaging like this. You can see this is the outer cardboard packaging. Details are mentioned like how to use this eyeshadow. It's written over here, and the key ingredients are mentioned, and there is no paraben in this eyeshadow quad. You can see here the MRP is mentioned, that is rupees 125, which is really very cheap and affordable. And this is the shade number 605. The manufacture date is mentioned over here, that is 1/2020, and it's going to expire within 3 years. And we are getting 6 grams of eyeshadow in these, friends, which is really a very good quantity for the amount that we are paying. You can see this is the eyeshadow quad. The packaging is quite good, and I cannot tell it's a very good packaging or a flimsy packaging. The packaging is decent according to the price, and on the back the shade number is written 605. So there is a sponge tip applicator given with this, which you can use to smoke out your kajal or for any other purpose. Don't throw it, it is also handy, and you can see it closes really well. So this is really travel friendly. You can take this with you when you are traveling somewhere. And you can see the shades. The shades are really very pretty. So all the 4 shades that are given in this quad are shimmery, they are not matte. So now I'll be showing you the pigmentation. It is buttery smooth actually to touch. I'm going to swatch and I'll be showing you the pigmentation. This is a grayish purple type of shade, friends. It has dual tones actually, and you can see this shade. From one angle it looks like gray, you can see from this angle, and from this angle it looks like purple. So it is a dual tone shade. It is such a pretty shade. So next I have this shade, and the shades are little bit powdery, friends. They have little bit kick off, and this is a very pretty light green shade, and it has good golden reflex in it. And the last one is this shade. I'm swatching it over here, so you can see this. So I'm going to use this quad now to do my eye makeup. So first I'm going to pick this pink shade from this quad, and friends, I'm going to use my finger only to apply these eyeshadows, because I've already tried, they don't pick really well with any flat shader brush, and these are satin eyeshadows. So you can see this is that pink shade in this quad, this one. So I'm going to apply this on my whole eyelid. So friends, after applying so many times, I've got such type of pigmentation. So I'll be taking this brush, this small blending brush, and I'll be picking up this shade over here. This is a little bit powdery, so I'm going to blend this on the outer V of my eyelid. So basically I'm trying to intensify my outer V using this shade. So you can see this shade is pretty pigmented. So I'm going to apply this shade on my lower lash line as well, like this. So I'm also blending it towards my inner eyelid as well, like this. It will give a good look, beautiful look. Again I'm going to pick that pink shade once again, and I'm going to apply it on my inner V a little bit, because it has faded a little bit. The intensity is not coming, so that's why I'm building it up once again. So friends, next I'm going to apply this eyeliner. This is Blue Heaven eyeliner, matte eyeliner in the set 04, that is grey, and you can see it comes in a bottle like this. So friends, now I'm going to apply this Kajal by NY Bay, and I'm going to apply this in my lower lash line. So next I'll be applying false eyelashes and I'll be back. So friends, coming to the pros and cons of this eyeshadow quad, the first pro that I found is it is really very affordable and very cheap. So you will always get this particular eyeshadow quad within rupees 100, which is really very affordable. And coming to the brand, Blue Heaven is really a good Indian brand, and all the products are really very affordable, and along with that they are also available online, offline, anywhere. They are very easily available. So this is the pro number 2. And pro number 3 that I found is these eyeshadow quads are available in many variants. So I think there are some 6 variants available. So definitely you can choose different color combinations and different shades in different eyeshadow quads according to your choice and your preference, and they do blend really well. That is also one pro that I found. First con that I found is all the shades that is given in this quad are shimmery, or they're satin finish eyeshadows. They're not shimmery, they're satin finish eyeshadows. So definitely you have to use different shades as transition from any other palette. There are no transition shades given in this quad. The second con that I found is the pigmentation. The pigmentation is not very high, it is decent. So you have to build it up and you have to apply multiple times to get pigmentation. With a single swipe or double swipe you'll not get the pigmentation. Third con that I found is the smell. It has little bit of smell, little bit of strong smell, so which some people might not like. So friends, coming to recommendation, I do recommend this eyeshadow quad only to beginners and to college going students, or someone who is not doing makeup on a regular basis. So these are not very highly pigmented, so definitely you can build them up and try to create eye makeup looks. And these are also really very affordable. It can fit to anyone's budget. So definitely you can go ahead and purchase these quads. So friends, I hope you like this video, and this video is really helpful to you, and it will help you to decide whether to take these eyeshadow quads or not. So I will be back again with another such video for you all. Till then, take care. Love you all.